My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Mini Cooper Convertible. This vehicle has done just over 59,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can access our settings, vehicle information, mini connected, contacts, telephone, multimedia and radio. Just below the screen we have our AC as well as heated seats on either side. We also have 3 different drive modes to choose from: sport, mid and green. Just above we have our convertible switch, which once we press will attach our convertible roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.